Discuss 11th question in circles. Prove that the parallelogram circumscribing a circle is a rhombus. Let's draw figure. This is the circle. Prove that parallelogram circumscribing a circle. Let's draw parallelogram. This is the parallelogram ABCD touching the circle at points P, Q or S. Okay. This is the here given a circle with center O, a parallelogram ABCD touching the circle at points P, Q or S. Okay. Here we need to prove ABCD is a rhombus. Okay. We know parallelogram opposite sides are equal. In parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. Here opposite sides are AB equal to DC and AD equal to BC. This is the given data. Here we need to prove ABCD. ABCD is a rhombus. Okay. We know rhombus all sides are equal. AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to AD. In rhombus all sides are equal. Okay. See this figure? Here A, B, C, D are external points of the circle. Okay. We know theorem 10.2, lengths of tangents drawn from an external point of a circle are equal. Okay. According to theorem 10.2, lengths of tangents drawn an external point of a circle or equal. Here A is the external point, two tangents drawn from an external point. They are AP and AS. Okay. According to theorem 10.2, AP equal to AS. Lengths of tangents drawn from external point of the circle are equal. So, AP equal to AS. Okay. Next. B is an external point of the circle. Lengths of tangents drawn from an external point B. So, tangents lengths are equal. BP equal to BQ. Okay, BP equal to BQ. Next, C is an external point of the circle. CR and CQ drawn from an external point C. Okay, so lengths of tangents are equal. CR equal to CQ. In same way, D is an external point. Lengths of tangents drawn from an external point D. These two lengths are equal. DR equal to DS. DR equal to DS. This is equation 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Adding one, 2, 3, 4 equations. AP plus BP plus CR plus DR equal to AS plus BQ plus CQ plus DS. Here AP plus BP. See this figure, AP plus BP equal to AB. CR plus DR. CR plus DR equal to CD. AS plus DS. AS plus DS equal to AD. BQ plus CQ. BQ plus CQ equal to BC. Okay. Here finally we get the equation AB plus CD equal to AD plus BC. We have already known the equation AB equal to DC and AD equal to BC. In place of AB we can write DC. DC or CD. From AB equal to DC. Next, in place of AD, we can write BC. BC plus BC. 2CD equal to 2BC. 2 to get cancelled. Therefore, CD equal to BC. Here we get AB equal to DC, AD equal to BC and CD equal to BC. AB equal to DC and AD equal to BC and CD equal to BC. Okay. Therefore, AB equal to DC, DC equal to BC, BC equal to AD. It means all sides are equal. Okay. All sides are equal. Then it is a rhombus. Okay. So ABCD is a rhombus. Hence proved.